Hello there. In this exciting video, we'll explore different types of storage drives, their speed, size, and advantages. The fast-paced evolution in the field of technology has led to the invention of a new data storage technology after every few years. First of all, this is a SATA hard disk drive, widely used even today due to its reliability, cost-effectiveness, and widespread footprints in IT industry. This particular drive supports data transfer speed up to 300 megabytes per second. Size of this drive is 3.5 inches and it's quite heavy in weight. In these HDDs, the data is stored on metallic disks that rotate at the speed of around 6 to 7,000 RPM, that is rounds per minute. On number 2 we have this smaller, lightweight SATA hard disk drive that rely on same technology of rotating metallic disks, but its size is only 2.5 inches. This 2.5 inch SATA HDD is lightweight, more reliable, and smaller in size. In the video you can note the size difference easily. These 2.5 inch SATA hard disk drives were very popular in laptops and portable drives for almost 2 decades. The speed of these drives is around 600 Mbps. After the traditional hard disk drives, the solid-state drives, also known as SSDs, revolutionized the industry. Here you can see a SSD. The SSDs have no moving parts, that is why they are more reliable and fast. Data transfer rate of an SSD can range between 500 Mbps to 3 Gbps. Finally we have today's winner, the mSATA card. This is an M1 card that is plugged directly into motherboard of the supported PCs and laptops. These mSATA cards are designed to provide even faster speeds than that of HDDs and SSDs. An mSATA M1 card can provide speeds up to 6 gigabytes per second. Please keep in mind that you can only use mSATA card if your motherboard has a dedicated slot and support for the card. So that's it for today's video. Your questions and comments are welcome.